Chapter number 39, Recent Advancement in Homeopathic Pharmacy. Recent advancement means it is from the Dr. Hahnemannian time or the discovery of homeopathy till today. Okay, what changes are there in the process of collection of drug, okay, in the process of preservation of drug, in the process of preparation of drug, in the process of law, in the process of their manufacturing, in the process of changes in the HPIs, okay, all these things are related with the advancement, okay. So in this advancement, we have to look after the quality control also, we have to look after the GMP, good manufacturing practices also, and we have to see about the advancement in all the machineries, okay, what machineries we are using for the manufacturing of homeopathic medicines. New addition of the drug sources, okay, that is important, okay, means normally previously Dr. Hahnemann has only plant kingdom, animal kingdom, then nosodes, sarcodes, imponderabilia, mineral kingdom, okay, so these 5-6 sources were there, okay, later on they have just added allergodes, isodes, okay, so these sources, okay, just related with the allergy in the particular person or any type of other type of reaction or antigen reaction from the body, okay, so these are the two sources that is included later on, okay, so that may be a advancement, okay. Then advancement in pharmaceutics, okay, pharmaceutical science or pharmaceutics, what advancement is there, okay. So pharmaceutical doses, okay, dose of the medicine, time to time doses of the medicine for particular diseases has changed, time to time the shape and size of the globules, tabloids have changed, okay. Then time to time the vehicles, okay, any new vehicles or any like vehicles were purified in a better quality, okay, so all these things happen time to time, okay. So these are the advancement of homeopathic pharmacy, okay. Then preparation of different other things in pharmaceutical companies, okay, like liniment, lotion, ointment, okay, so these were prepared, okay, and liniment, ointment, lotion of different other drugs have also prepared, okay, with the proper tubing and proper covering, proper labeling and packing, okay, so all these things happen. Then quality of alcohol, okay, extra neutral alcohol, okay, means quality of alcohol was changing time to time, okay, time to time the purity or the quality of alcohol is changing, okay, that is helping to get the more better or more pure quality of medicines, okay, because of advancement in the refinery system, in the advancement of the machinery system of that, okay. Then manufacturing process, okay, that is very much important, okay. Previously when homeopathy has started at that time, okay, very less patients were there, demand was very less, okay, then physicians were able to fulfill their demand, okay, but later on slowly the things have changed, the demand of the pupil has changed, and the physician, when they are only manufacturing the homeopathic medicine, then they are not able to fulfill the requirement of the medicine for the patient. So the one more thing evolved, that is the pharmaceutical company, okay. This pharmaceutical company has started. Then when this pharmaceutical company came, they have the advancement in the process of manufacturing, because they have to cover all the requirements of the patient, all the requirements, and transport of the medicine, because the transportation of medicine from one place to other place, okay, packing and covering everything is important, okay. So for that, previously the process of succussion is done through the hand, okay, means that just this is done manually, okay, but later on this is machine for succussion, okay, came, and the potentizer machine, okay, potentizer automatic, previously semi-automatic potentizer were there, then later on the potentizer machine came, okay, that is the automatic, fully automatic potentizer machine came, okay. It is just like a our this in the pathology laboratory we have that semi-automatic analyzer, then fully automatic analyzer, this type of machine, okay. So time to time in the machineries advancements were there, okay. Then the process of packing, process of covering, packing machines came, okay. Then storage, okay, the process of storage, all these things happened, okay. Then previously manual triturations were there. Okay, people used to triturate by the hand. Okay, and it was totally a time taking, and the quantity also a person can triturate a limited quantity of medicine. Okay, but these things happened later on. Ki there is an automatic trituration machine came. Okay, so where a lot of medicines can be triturated. Okay, then their machine came for the formation of globules, formation of tablets, okay, and other things. Then standardizing safe low limit of the trituration. Okay, very means very low limit. Okay, means we know ki some we are making medicines from the some things which are poisonous in nature. Okay, but when we are using these things, okay, they are poisonous in nature and they have very like if there is a material dose, they may cause harm to our body. Okay, so scientific community and the researchers, they have decided that this is the lowest possible quantity that can not be harmful to our body. Okay, and they have decided for something like arsenic sulfur not below 6x. Okay, then lacasis not below 3x. Okay, then calcareas not below 3x. Okay, so they have already decided when they understood the poisonous quality of some materials. Okay, which are the sources of homeopathic drugs. Okay, they have just given a borderline or marking ki from this lower, after that no lower potency can be made, otherwise they may be harmful to our body. Okay, then special storage condition. Okay, means is acetic acid, acid nitric, acid picric, acid sulf, acid Apis mellifica, okay, Rolfia, all these things are just stored in a proper place. Okay, storage is very much important. Otherwise, the these medicines or the raw material of the medicines then can be spoiled, and that will be very difficult for us to get the other major quantities of the raw material. Okay, then level of testing in homeopathic drugs. Okay, testing laboratories. Okay, research and development. Okay, R&D departments, research and development and testing. Okay, quality of testing of the quality of the vehicles, testing of the quality of the raw material, testing of the quality of the medicines, testing of the quality of the mother tincture. These things happened. Okay, so previously these were not there, but slowly machinery came, and the process of chemical and physical evaluation of the drug mother tincture started, and just we started the purity test for these things. Okay, then essential pharmacognosy. Okay, already we have discussed about the microorganoleptic examination, microscopic examination. Okay, then there is a physical evaluation, biological evaluation. Okay, so by that all this process we came to know about the quality and purity of the raw material and medicines. Okay, then there are very different types of things by which we can know the purity or quality of raw materials. There may be arrangement of stomata, there may be arrangement of leaves, there may be arrangement of stems, there may be other like S values and other things. Many other things are there that is just related with the botany. Okay, so all these things help for the determination of the quality of raw material, especially from the plant kingdom. Okay, then there are many different types of species. Okay, where the number of stomata and number of ash quantity of ash value is fixed, and that is determines the quality of that particular drugs. Okay, already we have discussed about these parts. Okay, then after that we have uh, microscope. Okay, different types of quality of microscope. Okay, changes in the, like previously it was simple microscope, then compound microscope, then electronic microscope, then electron microscope. Okay, means when the quality of these machineries or quality of this technology has changed. Okay, so there was also improvement in the quality of medicines. Okay, because we can observe the quality of medicines in a better way. Okay, so these machineries or biomedical engineering, they have a great support to our homeopathic pharmacy or in different other pharmacies also. Okay, because these machineries and these things has helped us to just save our times to get good quality and better quality of medicines. Okay, then We have many types are there. Successive solvent extraction is there. Then qualitative chemical examination is there. Okay, the chemical testing already we have discussed. Chemical testing of very raw materials. Okay, then Mollis test is there. Okay, that test contains the Mollis reagent. Okay, already I think you know about the Mollis test, or you will know about this in pathology. Okay, pathology in second year. Okay, so this test is for the starch. Then Bandic test is there. Okay, Bandic test is there for the testing of raw materials and the materials which are related with the manufacturing of homeopathic medicines. Okay, then after the preparations of medicines, you can go for different other technological tests. Okay, there is like a uh, ultraviolet rays. Okay, then we can go for infrared testing. Okay, then pharmaceutical analysis is there. Okay, many pharmaceutical analysis system. Okay, and we already know the computerized system of evaluation has started. Okay, just keeping the data. Okay, and just knowing about many things in the about the medicines have started. Okay, pharmaceutical analysis, chromatography. Already we have discussed about the process of chromatography. Okay, previously at Hahnemannian time, and after that for approximately 50 to 60 years. Okay, this chromatography process is not used in the field of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, then high performance thin layer chromatography is there. Okay, then spectroscopy is there, spectroscopic analysis is there. Okay, then after that ultraviolet spectroscopic method is there. Okay, means time to time when there is changes or advancement in the technology, that also helps to advance or change the field of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, then infrared spectroscopy is there, Raman spectroscopy is there, nuclear magnetic resonance method is there. Okay, then there are many other things are there, machineries are there, which are nowadays used in the pharmaceutical companies. Okay, then drug testing laboratories. Okay, then research and development departments. Okay, these are used. Then X-ray spectroscopy is there. Okay, and then uh, many other things are there, like homeopathic remedies are spectroscopically distinct from the original. Okay, solvent or water. Okay, means by this methodology we can understand the each component of homeopathic medicines. Okay, that we can understand the homeopathic medicine in a better way. Okay, better way and proper way. Okay, we can just keep in communication with all the modern technologies, biochemistries. Okay, and we can understand the total proper modern system of preparation of medicine with the incorporate with the homeopathy. Okay, then there is other things are like polygraphy is there. Okay, means physics part. Okay, physics part. Okay, biochemistry part they have added in the, and machineries, different type of machineries they have added in the pharmaceutical companies. Okay, then drug testing laboratories. Okay, then we have uh, uh, like pathogenetic trials of homeopathic drugs. Okay, we have nowadays we have just changed the process of trials. Okay, drug proving. Okay, nowadays this is called as a homeopathic pathogenetic trials. Okay, HPT. Okay, to remember this. Okay, previously at Hahnemannian time, just it is called as a drug proving. Okay, nowadays it is homeopathic pathogenetic trials. Okay, and we are just doing our trials or our clinical research or clinical verifications of the drug in the different allopathic hospitals also. Okay, we are just doing a placebo trials also. Okay, so this type of advancement is there. Okay, in the cases of manufacturing of medicine. Okay, we are just for the good manufacturing practices. Okay, different type of medicines are prepared at the world level and they are of good quality. Okay, now ear drops are there, ophthalmic preparations are there. Okay, previously which was not there. Okay, then in some countries, okay, not in India but in some countries, pharmaceutical companies are making the homeopathic injections also. Okay, Then there is very much advancement in the process of fundamental research in homeopathy. Okay, means without research, okay, medical science will not exist. So many research all over world, many organizations, many scientific community, they are now looking at the homeopathy side for the research. Okay, and there is many drug trials are going on, especially also drug trials or the homeopathic medicines trial on the this new pandemic. Okay, COVID-19 is also going on. Government and many NGO organizations are doing very much effort on all these things. Okay. One more thing is there, water memory theory, but it is not so much important. Okay, because when this water memory theory means water, if you are doing anything, dissolving anything, still dilution is there. Okay, water has some memory, and by that memory you can understand that these previous things were dissolved in that particular water. Okay, but it was discarded by many scientific community. Okay, so that is not so much important. Okay. Then nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy studies there. Okay, this is very high study of magnetic advancement. Okay, about the quality of homeopathic medicines. Okay, action of homeopathic medicines on the different organism cells. Okay, so all these things are advancement. Then we have uh, we have just changed the economic status of homeopathy. Okay, previously the homeopathy has very less budgets. Okay, nowadays in the field of homeopathy, government is doing very good amount of expenditure, and many types of pharmaceutical company research units are in the continuations. Okay, ion theory and all these things are not so much important. Okay. Then biological specialty in the resonant promotion of the lone pair is there. Okay, then bioinformatics system. Okay, means just we are using the total statistical methods, bioinformatic method in our homeopathic research. Okay, by the bioinformatics, we are just taking help of this science, and we are helping to manage the data. Okay, in the field of research, in the field of manufacturing, and the field of the action of homeopathic medicines on the different organisms and the human beings. Okay. Then molecular clusters are there. Okay, transient localized regions are there. Okay, then antiviral studies. Okay, antiviral studies are going on. Okay, I don't know, I think I have told you. Okay, in the Gorakhpur. Okay, in this BD, I think name is some medical college. Okay, that government medical college, there many research on is going on the JE, Japanese encephalitis, with the homeopathic medicines. Okay, means many type of viral diseases. Okay, already research are going on with the homeopathic medicines. Okay, and nowadays in for the COVID-19 also homeopathic medicines are used. Okay, in the Italy. Okay, they have used camphor 1M as a homeopathic medicine, and they have got a good result. Okay, if you just see the previous history part. Okay, you will also see the homeopathic medicines has a vital role or good role in the preparation of or the for the cure of the pandemics, like it may be swine flu, it may be like a Spanish flu. Homeopathic medicines has a major role. Okay, then then merits of the new concepts are there. Okay, time to time concept, new concepts are coming with the add-on with the homeopathic concept by Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, then European Committee of Homeopathy, they have already given the new method of the preparation of homeopathic medicines. Okay, but there is some limitations. Some of the new concept still have a hypothetical basis. Okay, that is very much important. Okay, many new concept came. Okay, but this new concept has a totally a hypothetical basis, means just they are not working at the ground level. Okay, they have just like it is told, and they are assuming this may happen. Okay, practically they have not done that, and they have not come any outcome, they have not got any outcome. Okay, this concept could explain only the action of the potentized medicines. Some could be extended to the explain drug proving and dynamization of the health and disease, but they fail to explain other phenomena like a susceptibility, primary and the secondary action of the medicines. Okay, means when we are doing the drug proving, homeopathic pathogenetic trials, we are able to prove all the concepts of Dr. Henneman, but we are still not able to prove like primary action, secondary action, okay, idiosyncratic patients, okay, all these things, susceptibility of the patient, we are not able, even different other science, they have also not able to prove about the this immunity or the susceptibility, okay, except by the bioinformatic genomic theory. Okay, genomic theory is like that theory ki every person has a different type of genetic makeup and they will respond to the different type of immunity things, a different type of environment, different type of food, different type of medicine in a very different way. Okay, that's why we cannot prove. That's why we are telling ki every person or every animals have a different constitution and they have a very different genetic values, that is called as a genomic theory. Gene, okay, DNA, RNA, okay, cells, tissues, okay, they have a very different response to different type of drug materials, okay, and different type of food things and different type of environment. That's why we tell ki these everything comes under the genetic theory. Okay, it means when we are just giving a medicines to a particular person or patient, okay, how they are responding totally it depends upon the genetic makeup of that particular person. Okay, one wonder of the necessity of having such explanation by homeopathy, but surely the advantage of having a firm scientific basis weight much. The scientific community, we have to turn them attentions to the relative new system of healing. Subsequently, the amount of research in this field will increase, which in turn will explain our horizon. Okay, means already these things are going on nowadays. The research is very much important. Okay, research and development, okay, the documentation of the things what you are doing, everything should be properly documented. Okay, without documentation you cannot explain your science. Okay, and the two types of research are going on. One is the that is the not clinical research. Okay, it is just doing on research on the quality of homeopathic medicines. Okay, action of the homeopathic medicine on the cellular and genetic level. Okay, that is not clinical type of research. Other type of research is the action of homeopathic medicine on the viruses, bacteria, okay, different animals and a human being. Okay, so one is clinical and one is just a like a non-clinical type of research are going on. Okay, means the quality of that medicines, when you are just putting that medicine on particular things, what type of genetic changes or any type of cellular changes are there, that is called as a like a different type of research. Okay, this is a biochemical type of research. Okay, the both type of research are going on for their advancement. Okay, in the field of economy also, okay, this is just giving a good amount of income to government. Okay, and there is a proper or proper growth in the economy of field of homeopathy. Okay, like it is nearby 30 to 35% every year. Okay, so all these things are the advancement of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, so you have to explain the advancement of homeopathic pharmacy with the Dr. Hahnemannian time till today. Okay, so you can explain the quality of medicines, you can explain the pharmaceutical company, you can explain the research field, you can explain uh, about the good manufacturing practices, and you can explain the labeling and packing, and the number of homeopathic medicine has increased. Okay, all this, then quality of machineries in the pharmaceutical shop, pharmaceutical field is there. Okay, then homeopathic outlets have increased. Okay, all these things are the number of like homeopathic colleges has increased. Okay, all these things are advancement in the field of homeopathy. Okay, so till now, anything you want to ask, any question you have, anything, any doubt? Questions normally comes like directly, it comes like a heading. Okay, explain the recent advancement in the homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, this is the question. Okay, so normally you have to explain advancement of homeopathic pharmacy from Dr. Hahnemannian time, like 1796 discovery of homeopathy till today. What is the status of homeopathy? Okay, you can tell it as a, like a status. What is the nowadays, what is the status of homeopathy? Okay, so that you have to explain in your answer in brief, depends upon the marks. Okay, if it is of long question, you have to explain it in a long way. If it is a short note, you have to explain in that way. Okay. Anything? Any question? No or yes?
No, sir.
No. Any doubt? Anything?